Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the order of operations in math. So, math is a universal language, and in order to make sure that everyone's doing it in the same way, we want to follow a certain pattern. So we have to do parentheses first, exponents second, multiplication or division third. So when we knew multiplication and division, multiplication does not have to come before division. Sometimes division can come first. That depends on what's left and what's on the right side. And we can get more into that later. And then lastly, we're going to do addition and subtraction. And those go together as well. So subtraction could come before addition. So for number 1 here, parentheses comes first always, and we have some parentheses here. So 1 plus 2 is 3, so I have 3 squared now, minus 4 times 5 is 20, and those are also in parentheses, so I want to do that in the same step as 1 plus 2. Now I have exponents. 3 to the second power, 3 times 3, or 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 20. Well, 9 is smaller than 20, but if we think about 20 minus 9, we get 11, and we have negative 11 since we're doing a smaller minus a bigger number. For number 2, there are no parentheses, so we don't have to worry about those, but we do have some exponents, and 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed, or 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, plus 5 times 6 plus 4. The next line will be multiplication or division, and we only have multiplication here, so 8 plus 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4. And now since we only have addition left over, we can really do this in any order. Addition is commutative, meaning we could do 8 plus 30 plus 4, or we could do 30 plus 4 plus 8, or we could do 8 plus 4 plus 30. Any of those options are going to give us the same answer. I'm just going to go left to right. So 8 plus 30 is 38, and 38 plus 4 is 42. Number 3, we are back to parentheses. So 18 minus, in parentheses, we have 21 divided by 3, that is 7. And 18 minus 7 is 11. Number 4, we have no parentheses here, but we do have some exponents. So I'm going to say 5 plus 8 times 3 squared, or 3 times 3, 3 to the second power is 9. Now, I have multiplication only, no division. 5 plus 8 times 9 is 72. 5 plus 72 is 77. Number 5, I have no parentheses. I do have some exponents, but I want to be careful to notice that negative 4 squared, negative 4 is not in parentheses, so that means that negative is kind of hanging out front. It's really just 4 being squared, 4 to the second power. So I'm going to keep that negative, and it's just going to be 4 times 4, which is 16. So we're thinking about the difference between negative 4 squared, negative 4 squared. In the top one that I have, the 2 kind of goes to like both pieces, and negative times a negative makes it a positive. But in this case that we have here, it's just 4 being squared. The 2 only goes to the 4, and so the negative hangs out front. Negative 16 plus 9. Opposite signs means we want to kind of treat them like subtraction. 16 minus 9 would be 7, and negative 16 has the greater absolute value, so our final answer is going to be negative 7. Number 6, no parentheses, no exponents, no multiplication. We do have some division here. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Number 7, we have a little bit more going on. No parentheses, but we do have some exponents. 3 plus 4 squared, or 4 times 4 is 16, times 3 squared, or 3 times 3 is 9, minus 9 times 4. we have multiplication next. So 3 plus 16 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. So 16 times 9 is 144. Minus 9 times 4 is 36. Okay. So this next line, addition and subtraction, addition is coming first on the left side, and subtraction is coming second in our problem. So we're going to do the addition first and the subtraction second. However, if instead we had 3 minus 144 plus 36, then in this case we would do the subtraction first. So even though our order of operations is written as this, PEMDAS, addition does not have to come first. Addition and subtraction kind of go in the same, they go in the same order, kind of like they're at the end. So when you have addition or subtraction, those are kind of interchangeable in the sense that if you only have addition and subtraction that you're looking at, you're going to do it left to right like we read a book. So whichever one comes on the left, do that one first. So what we have is addition first, but not because addition has to come before subtraction. It's just because it's on the left side. 3 plus 144 leaves us with 147. And 147 minus 36. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 3 is also 1. So I'm left with 111. And the last one we have here, we have no parentheses, but we do have exponents. So I have 18 minus 4 divided by 2 squared, or 2 times 2 is 4 times 10. And then next we have multiplication and division. Well, here we have division first. So multiplication and division can also go, they also do go together. And as I'm reading my math problem left to right, like we read a book, division actually comes first. So we're going to do the division part first. So I have 18 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 10. So I have to be careful. I don't want to do 18 minus 1 is 17 times 10. I want to do 1 times 10 first. So 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. And that's it.